So what you need to do is do what's called the deep clearing pendulum or the deep clearing protocol. There's just two simple actions you use. When you spin a pendulum or a weight on the end of a spring like this, it creates a vortex. A vortex is like a hurricane or tornado that goes across the face of the earth. You know how a tornado sucks everything up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do this and you're working on your energy field, it's like a big vacuum cleaner. And with the intention of I am clearing blah, 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 it's taking it out of your energy field. Because when you command things to be so, they must be so, right? So I'm teaching you how to change your life by making commands. So when you spin the pendulum counterclockwise, you're releasing energy out of your bioenergy field, which is your chakras and your aura. That's your bioenergy field. When you clear something out of your aura, you want to install something new. You don't want to leave it as a vacuum. So you clear and then you install. So I don't want this, 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 and this, but I do want this, this, and this. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want this, this, and this, but I do want this and this. So you always are doing clearing what you don't want, installing what you do want. Why do you do this? Because in 21 days, it sends a message, repeated message from your conscious mind to your subconscious mind to run this program 24/7, 365. So within 30 days or sometimes longer, sometimes it takes 60 days, it will be automatic. So when you say clear or you think clear, it'll run the whole program. Okay? But right now we are repeating it every single time you feel under attack, and at least once a day. So it becomes second nature that every time you feel under attack, you clear. That's sending a message to your subconscious. Every time something is trying to get at you, you clear. Okay? And then your energy starts going like this, right? And so if the demon's here and you're here, that demon or whatever it is no longer has access to you. So an exciting thing is I'm teaching you how to change your life. Because once you learn how to do this, you can apply it to anything you don't want to have in your life. You can exclude it and put in what you do want, right? So you're really learning the basis of manifesting the life that you want. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah.